How to fix Spotify's "something went wrong" error. This tutorial covers the most common causes and how to clear it up. First, check your internet connection by swiping down to open the Quick panel and switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. From there, open Spotify again to see if the error clears up. After that, if it's still showing, long press the Spotify app icon from your home screen or app drawer. At this point, tap App Info. Following this, tap Storage. From here, tap Clear Cache to remove any temporary files that could be triggering the error. At this stage, back out and tap Force Stop instead. Following this, tap OK to confirm. From here, if the issue continues after that, go back into Storage and tap Clear Data. Keep in mind, clearing data will sign you out completely, so make sure you know your login details before continuing, and confirm when prompted. At this stage, scroll down within App Info and tap App Details in Store to check if an update is available, and install it if there is one. Following this, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart to fully refresh your device. Once your device boots back up, open Spotify and check if the error is gone. That's how you fix Spotify's "something went wrong" error. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials,